Alright, August 2nd, 2020, Tyler Hayes here. 2017, we're going to do a bonus. And it'll be a double to wrap up my day here in North Ladysmith. We are going to kick off our bonus video with the M342 that is on the way, that just met the L563 at Murray, that was led by IC Jeep 40R 3129 with its CNSD60 5450. After 342 clears, we will have the northbound sand train that'll come off the Barron. So enough said, here is the M342. As we lean back and get him, here we go. We have gate drop.
Again! And 3204. Second time that I get to see a 3125. That one was previously GECX 2036. Now here she is on the M342. The 3204 is the 1002nd Tier 4 that was made by WebTech GE. There's the DPU now for the M342. Another GEVO. That was the 2833. Last M342 flatbed with axles. The National 48994 and the train device is going. What a catch.
What a way to start off the bonus. Here north of Ladysmith, the M342 that was led by CN 3125 that was rebuilt by MEI. It was previously GECX 2036. And we also saw the 1002nd Tier 4 ET44AC 3204. It was delivered from WebTech GE. And we had our DPU of ES44AC 2833. Now all eyes will be on the northbound sand train that'll come off the Barron. Alright, 2046. This will be my last train of the day. And we'll do it here north of Ladysmith. Here's our northbound sand train as we lean back and get him. 3816. Second run, Tier 4 credit.
And more. 2019 is in there at 5640. I think this one's at 763. Last of S763. No DPU. GECX 497 353 and the train device is going. And off rolls away the S763 as it heads on its way to Pokegama. What a nice catch indeed. That another surviving C40-8 standard cab 2019 was in there. And we also had SD75I 5640 in the third slot. And that is going to do it here north of Ladysmith and for our bonus footage. Thank you all guys for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed all three videos that you'll see. What a great way to end the day here. After a real nice sunset too. From north of Ladysmith, Tyler Hayes out.